Hi, my name is Herman, and welcome back to the English Project, the channel where we think in English and speak English. Before we begin, remember to hit that subscribe button down there and turn on the bell and like this video. It will help the channel a lot. Do you remember that in this video right here, we were learning the simple formula for verb to be? And in the end, we learned how to make sentences and how to ask questions, but only for verb to be. If you don't remember, I'm going to leave a card up here so that you can go and watch that video. Now, let's talk about the form of the simple present, which is somehow similar to that of the simple past. Of course, only in form, not in meaning. And you may be asking yourself, how are they similar? Yes, they are similar because they use something that is very characteristic of English, and that is an auxiliary verb. But what is an auxiliary? An auxiliary verb is something that is very characteristic of English, but not so much for Spanish. Remember, I only speak English and Spanish, and in Spanish we don't really have auxiliary verbs. And from this moment on, I want you to be very familiar with the auxiliary for the present, do and does, and the auxiliary for the past, did. They're gonna be your best friends from this moment on. Now, how do we apply the simple formula to learn simple present and simple past just like that? Let's see some sentences. Do you remember my friend Ted? Well, let's continue using my friend Ted for the examples. Example number 1. Positive sentences. I work from home. Ted works in a factory. Negative sentences. I don't work on Saturdays. Ted doesn't work on Saturdays. Notice how we use the auxiliary to make negative sentences. Example number 2. Simple past. I studied English. Ted studied engineering. I didn't like math. Ted didn't like languages. Notice how the negative sentences are made with the auxiliary didn't. And notice how the position for the auxiliaries in the present and in the past is the same. Example 3. Questions. Do you like eating out? Oh, yes, I do. Does Ted like going to the movies? No, he doesn't. What do you do? I am an English teacher. What does Ted do? He is an engineer. Notice all the instances where the auxiliary for the present appears. There are many. Negative sentences, yes/no questions, and answers, and information questions. Now, I want you to go back, and I want you to locate in your mind all the places where the auxiliary for the present appear. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you have those places in your mind? Did you locate them? Replace those auxiliaries, do and does, with did, and now you have sentences for the simple past. Here, I'll help you with the first sentences. I worked in a factory. Ted worked in a factory. I didn't work on Sundays. Ted didn't like his job. In the PDF I will be leaving down below, I will be giving you the rest of the sentences so that you can complete all the actions in the past, and when you finish, Post your answers in the comments, and I will be glad to check them out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know with a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave me your comments. And as always, stay tuned for more. Bye!